channel Dreamers Reality with Kaur. I hope you all doing fantastically well over there. And today video I'm gonna take you to on board to building up my own DIY kitchen menu board and a writing board. So I guess many of you already thinking that this is not really a thing for our family, but let me tell you, if you are a Punjabi family like mine or an Indian family, it is one of the most essential products you would have in your kitchen, and I can convince you with that. Let me start with a very little story which you would relate with. When I was a teenager, I always overheard my mother, my aunties and all the other ladies in a gossip group, they always say like, साडी अद्धी जिंदगी निकल जानी यही सोचते हुए कि आज रात की बनाना है, right? So at that point I always wonder why you having a big issue out of it. Just go in a kitchen, grab some ingredients and you are done. Until I got married, I have my own family, I have my own children, then I got to know what exactly those ladies were talking about. It is a problem, it is a kind of a stress of our day that what we're gonna cook for tonight, and that does not matter if you are a mother or a father. When the time comes to feed to your family, it is a battle to win at the dinner table, right? And if you have a fussy eaters at your place, it is always a win-win situation goes at the table. So I have enough with that. If you have a kitchen menu at your place, that it's just the next step ahead to organizing your life and your children more calmly and more efficiently. You will just find that ingredients whenever you're gonna go shop, you know what to buy. You won't really waste your time and energy to grabbing everything and putting in the fridge, and at the end of the day the dates go off and all that produce go into the bin. And do not deny that it happens to all of us, right? So are working late, especially for mothers, and those nights fathers take in charge of dinner, they will be actually thankful to you, because you can put those kind of menu over there, those kind of meals there in the menu, which is easy to cook for fathers the same time when they are managing children, their routines and everything else. So they will be actually thankful to you. So everything will be organized, you don't have to worry. Even though if you cook after the work, even then it won't feel like a stress. Everything is already ready, the ingredients will be ready, so you don't have to stress out. Actually, for children, when they see something visualized, when they see something over there written, that which they already prepared as a family, so there will be less nagging, less of tantrums throwing, so yeah, it definitely can make your life more healthy. So here I have all the stuff what I need for my command station. I have these two frames. I already got my glass out of this thing, and one is in a black color and the one is a color. One is white poster paint and the other one is it's a black color. And I have these picture which I would use for my kitchen menu card. I will go further to explaining this thing later in this video. I have this double-sided tape. I hope you can see it's double-sided tape here, so that's what I needed, and a piece of sandpaper, so that's I need. And of course I got out these different pictures, so which will make my kitchen menu more kids friendly, so that's which I got. That was the original print out of picture I got, and then I cut in two pieces. So this picture, it's I think 6x4, but if you would click the option college, when you're gonna get your printout. So that's how it comes out. It's very easy, and being the pictures do different on the printout, it is very easy to cut. You know where your boundary is and you just cut through there. And please try to use a small scissor for this rather than the big one. It will be a more good hold on the scissor when you cut the pictures. So that's all we're gonna do. And of course I have this chart here, which will be for my kitchen menu, and that was a one old soccer team frame which I am using to make my kitchen menu here. And it is really helpful because the cards sizes were already there, and what I did with this cards I'm just gonna show you. So first thing first,